Hey there, Snapchat users! Are you looking to unblock someone on Snapchat? You've come to the right place. In this full guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open up your Snapchat application on your device. Look for the familiar yellow icon with a white ghost. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap on your account picture located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. In the top right corner of your profile page, you'll see a small gear icon. Tap on it to access the Snapchat settings. Step 4. Scroll down the settings page until you find the blocked option. Tap on it to view the list of accounts you've blocked. Now, to unblock someone, simply tap on the X next to their username. Snapchat will ask you to confirm the action of unblocking. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to unblock people on Snapchat and reconnect with them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and Snapchat tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.